Hello, friends! Let us learn to write the numbers 0 to 9. Follow the pen to write the numbers. Will you write along with me? 0 is where it all begins. Around and around you go. That's the way to make a 0. Start at the top and make a circle. This is number 0. Now, let's write the number 1. Draw a small slant line at the top and then a standing line from the top to the bottom. Now, you try. It's time for number 2. Draw a curve from top to bottom, and then a sleeping line at the bottom. Curve around and a straight to the right. Awesome job! Let's go to number 3 now. Draw a small curve from the top to the middle, and then draw another one from the middle to the bottom. Draw 2 humps sideways, and that's a 3. Let's write the number 4. Go down across and cut it in half. This is how you write your 4. Down to the right and down some more. That's the way to make a 4. Now let us write the number 5. Neck and tummy, put on a hat. This is the number 5. With a straight neck and a round tummy. Put his hat on. 5 sure looks funny. Let us write the number 6. Make a curve, make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Down and around and curl it up. This is the number 6. Let's write the number 7 now. Straight to the right and down from heaven. That's the way to make a 7. Across the top and then slope down. 7 is the fastest in this town. Let's go to number 8. Make a S and climb back up to write the number 8. Make a S and climb back up to write the number 8. Good work! You are doing so good! Finally! Let's write the number 9. Start drawing a circle, and when you reach the end, extend it towards the bottom into a curve. Yippee! Yippee! Now you know your numbers!
Please subscribe to our Zabazoo YouTube channel to enjoy more exciting videos.